What is happening, guys? It is Friday. So today's little quick bit video is going to be about brakes hanging up on your Dodge Ram 2500 3500s. Basically, this is 02 to, God, I don't know, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've experienced this problem too several times, so this is what the deal is. So you're driving down the road, your brakes start hanging up, feels like a bad caliper, you change a caliper. Brakes are still hanging up. It's like, what the heck's going on here? So you go and get another caliper for it. Brakes are still hanging up. Run into this several times, so I thought maybe just this video would help you guys quickly fix this solution. I've personally misdiagnosed these trucks for bad calipers and it ended up being this. So the light's a little bit horrible here, but I'm going to show you what to do. This particular truck's a 2011. So if you look right here, see that little bracket holding that hose? There's another one right here. So all you want to do is just take a screwdriver and just pry this bracket out just a little bit. And then you're going to loosen, it's going to loosen up this hose. A lot of times what happens is these brackets, they swell up from rust. And when that happens, is what it does is it actually pinches the brake hose and it makes it act like a caliper's hanging up. So I hope this video helps you guys. Like I said, this one's an 11. This particular truck did not have the problem, but basically when we run these things through the dealers, or through our dealer here, we always loosen up those clamps if there's any kind of a brake hang up on these trucks. So very important. All right. So some of the older Rams, the brackets are located a little bit different, but just look for those brackets that hoop around and hold that brake hose in place. And just spread it out a little bit before you go spend money for calipers that you may not need. All right, guys. Well, hope you all have a goody-goody. Enjoy your Labor Day weekend off.